So ukiwa na around 800,000 Kenya shillings, unapata hii lathe, that is a CKA 6140, and it has a turning diameter of 400mm, as you can see here, and it has a processing width of 1 meter. So it's a very high precise machine from Dalian machinery. Na unaona ni machine ambayo iko intact, kila kitu ndani, very well kept, very well used. And then it has its PLC here from Guangzhou CNCK, that is the 980TDC, a very updated unit. And you can also come here and see the PLC for this machine, the power control units for this machine here. So ni machine ambayo iko ready and intact. So if you require such a solution, umesikia ni affordable, ni 1800. Kuship hapa tunaiship in CBM, that is in cubic volume, itakuwa Nairobi. Ni machine ready to work, ni machine ambayo ilisimama tu job hapa. Sisi tunaleta hizi lathe kutoka hapa kwa wingi. Thank you.